Hello, my name is Ken Brown and I teach AP World History Modern here at Bellarmine. This short video is designed to give you an idea about what you can expect out of the course and how you can help support your son or daughter's year in AP World History Modern. My name is Ken Brown, and I have been teaching at Bellarmine for this is my 10th year here at Bellarmine. I have 26 years of teaching experience. Before this, I was at Gig Harbor High School and at Peninsula High School for the first part of my career. Really enjoying my time at Bellarmine so far. I'm the department chair here in social studies, and also I direct a program called Model United Nations. But I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about AP World History Modern. I do want to keep my video short, but I do want to make sure that you understand that you can always reach out to me with any other questions. So first, what is an advanced placement class? So if AP is new to you, there is a national exam. It takes place in May. And we orient the course towards that exam. So the kids will work really hard, practice all the skills that they need to do well on the exam. And if they pass the exam with a 3 or better, they can earn college credit at most universities and colleges in the country. Some of the colleges require a more aggressive score, but most colleges will give credit for a 3 or better. So an advanced placement class is like an honors class, but it's also designed with a college textbook in mind. The textbook that we use is called Ways of the World by Robert Strayer. It's a college level textbook. It's an excellent textbook, and we move our way through that course and through that textbook over the course of the year. As far as homework goes, what kind of and how much homework is my child expected to complete? So most of the homework is going to be in the form of reading. I ask the kids to read and to take notes. I score their notes and give them feedback to help them take better notes. And that is, I try to keep the reading assignments at about maybe 10 to 15 pages for 2 nights. Even though I assign the homework when I see the kids on A days, I really do suggest that the kids do the homework a little bit every night and split it up into 2 chunks instead of waiting until the night before class to do the reading. In AP World, that can it's just a little bit better if they spread that out. So that's my suggestion. Using other resources could also help them. I put some videos on my Moodle page that can help kind of cement what they're learning in the textbook. I would also highly recommend getting a review book early, not just waiting for the moments before the exam. My favorite book is the AP World History Modern Premium by Princeton Review. This is available usually at Barnes & Noble in Lakewood, or of course on Amazon. It's a great book that they could use and refer to as they're reading all year long. So how can you support your child? One idea I have is to make sure that they have a distraction-free place and time to do their homework. One of the things that some students do is if they've got the music on or they've got the phone out, they've got the Discord going, they've got all these sort of intrusions on their time, and it really makes for reading that's distracted. So if there's any way that you can help monitor or enforce or support some sort of distraction-free environment, that would be really helpful. And then also, again, the review book would be, I think, a good purchase. Finally, contacting me. So I have my syllabus, and you can see the QR code right there, and that's something that you can scan with your phone. If you pause this video and scan that, that'll take you right to my syllabus. I also right there have my Moodle page in a QR code. I use, in AP World, I'm going to use Moodle. 95% of what we do is going to be on Moodle. That's where I share the assignments. That's where I put the homework assignments every night. What we do in case a student is sick or has to miss school, they can look at Moodle. I only use Blackboard for the grades. So if you look at Blackboard, you'll see what your child's grade is and the assignments that they've turned in and missed. But if you go to Moodle, that's where you're going to see the homework being assigned, the calendar, the reading schedule, weeks in advance, that sort of a thing. If you'd like to contact me, my email address is at the very, very bottom of the page there, brownk@bellarmineprep.org. I'm always here to answer your questions. Thanks so much, and look forward to working with your child this year. Yeah. Have a good day.